Five little ducks went out to play, waddling, waddling far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only four came waddling back. Four little ducks went out one day, splashing in water along the way. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only three came waddling back. Three little ducks went out to play, diving and swimming in the bay. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only two came waddling back. Two little ducks went out that day, wiggling tails and running away. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but only one came waddling back. One little duck went out to play, all by itself it lost its way. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back," but none of the ducks came waddling back. Sad Mama duck went out